a motor neuron, and on this motor neuron you can check about the dendrites, axon, and the other features that we are to learn about this nephron and the impulse transmission. So according to this one, this is how we will be drawing our cell body with the dendrites. So we can just elongate this one. So this one is we are speaking about this one being a cell body. Then we myelinate. This is myelinated. It's myelinated. It's myelinated. You can check that. So we are speaking here, we will have a nucleus. So this one is our cell body. This one is our dendrite. This is our nucleus. Our nucleus. Then at this point is what we are calling a dendron. We are saying this one is our what? Myelinated sheath. At the junction here, we have something called node of Ranvier. We got what? Node of Ranvier. Then at this point, we have the axon. So then this one, within this point, you can have, let's say, this is a muscle. So you should know our cell body is on the CNS. What's CNS? Central nervous system. The central nervous system. Our cell body will be at the central nervous system. And once an impulse, so we'll have a dendrite role. What's the role of the dendrite? This one is receive impulse from other neurons. So we are saying these ones are motor neuron. The direction of our impulse will be in this manner. From our CNS, that's the central nervous system, to our muscles, that is our effector. This is an effector. Our muscle is an effector. It can either be a muscle or even a gland. So if it's a muscle, its role is to contract. If it's a gland, its role is to do what? To secrete. Its role is about secretion. Its role is about what? Secretion. Then we have now the cell body. We are speaking about the cell body. Cell body controls all the processes of the neuron. It controls what? All the process of the neuron. And why are we saying this one? The main reason is because it will be having the nucleus. What about the axon? This one transmits the impulse. Where does it transmit the impulse? From our CNS to which point? Effector. Which is our effector? Either our gland or our muscle. Either our gland or what? Our muscle. Then from that point we have the myelin sheath, and this one will be having fats, and this one is for insulation. This one is for what? Insulation. So we are saying our impulses will just be flowing in this manner. So this one is what? A structure of a motor neuron. How will you differentiate between a motor and sensory neuron and a relay neuron? The first thing that you should know, relay does not have this myelinated, does not have the myelin sheath, but the sensory will have the myelin sheath. The difference, the other one, will be about the cell body. This one cell body is within the axon line. So we are saying an axon is just an extension of a dendrite. So when you speak about the other one, this one is about our sensory. Our sensory, this one will be our cell body. Our cell body is off the axon. This one is for what? Sensory. But this other one will just be the same, but it will be small in size. That is the we are speaking about what? Relay neuron, but it will not be having those myelinated sheath. Thank you very much.